bad. Pick it up,
Okay,
pick it up.
fine. Here goes a bite of the chili. Wish me luck.
Whoops.
What? Read it. I'm still okay, but he is really bad. So
Next up.
I can see it's fine.
No. Been through.
Chili is coming. Come on. No, I don't think so. I don't remember. Come on, have it.
I still have some chocolate left inside. Can I take a bite of the chocolate after?
No, sorry. Big bite. Come on, husband. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Panache. Today's video is going to be a super fun video. As you can see, we are all dressed for the video. Today is Halloween, so happy Halloween to everybody. And if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and also share it with your contacts. It would really mean a lot to me and motivate me to do better. So today I have my special guest, my husband, my dearest, my buddy, my partner in crime, everything with me on this video today. And I had actually put up a poll on Instagram asking if you all wanted me to do a video on, never have I ever challenge or whisper challenge, and you all had suggested that we do this video. So here we are doing this challenge, never have I ever. So enjoy this video. So have fun, enjoy this video, and let's roll with this. So this is how the game goes. I have a bowl here with about 10 questions. Now these are questions selected by my daughter, so both of us do not know what the questions are all about. And if we have done any of these things, we have to have a bite of the chili, which is here super spicy. And if we haven't done it, then we have chocolates here. So let's hope for the best. So are you ready?
I never am.
So let's begin with this video.
Like this, never.
Let's have some fun. Come on.
Your turn first.
Okay. I'm picking the first chit, which says, never have I ever gone commando. Now, frankly speaking, I did not really know the meaning of this. But gone commando, what does that mean?
Like as in, did something probably like army type.
No, I think it's going without undies, something like that.
Oh.
I think it's something like that. I have. I cannot lie. So I have.
So you know what you need to do. Pick it up,
Okay,
pick it up.
fine. Here goes a bite of the chili. Wish me luck.
Proper. You have to take a bigger bite.
Usually this is super spicy, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Your
And
turn.
next, I'll take the one at the bottom. Oh, it says number 10.
No, 10 she said was last. I don't know. She said there's something special to do with the number 10. So pick up something else but 10. She said keep it for the last.
Okay, you can go back to the bottom.
Oh my god, this is super spicy. I should get some water. Water is allowed?
8. Whoops.
What? Read it.
Never have I ever dropped a baby. Now, I got 2 kids.
Dropped a baby. It could be any baby.
Okay. I nearly dropped my own kid. But it's a near miss. So it's near. So I have it.
Kind of. I think you've dropped your niece.
Near miss for both of them.
So
My
what should
son
it be?
and my niece. They were like near misses. But I haven't dropped them. So I'm going to go with the chocolate because I have never dropped a baby.
Lucky you. Take.
Now I'll go with this chocolate.
Okay.
I like this one better.
My turn. While you're eating the chocolate,
Hold
never
on.
have I ever given someone a fake phone number. No, I don't think so. I don't remember. I don't think I've given anyone a fake phone number. No. I would say no. Chocolate for me.
What?
No. I don't think I've given anyone a fake phone number.
Don't think you have.
No, I don't remember. So, chocolate for me.
You're taking the
Your
easy
turn.
route. No, that's not right. Okay.
And guys, if you like this makeup look, please give it a thumbs up. We're really working hard on this video to entertain you guys.
Okay. Next up.
I can see, it's fine.
No. This is bad. Never have I ever snitched on someone else at work.
Snitched meaning argued with somebody?
No. Ratted on someone. You know what I'm trying to say? Like you went and told someone else about, probably your boss, about what your co-worker has not
Oh, you
done.
mean complaining, sort of.
Yeah.
I think everyone's done that.
I have to go
Somewhere
with
down the line we have done that.
it.
So,
With the work experience I've been through,
chili is coming. Come on,
the work experience I've been through, I
open.
I had to do it. You know? So,
I think it's part of life.
yeah. So I'm going to go with this.
Big bite. Come on, husband. Big one, big one.
Wait, let me see how spicy it is first. Then
It's
we
okay,
go.
see, I'm fine.
Can I take a bite of the chocolate after?
No, sorry.
I still have some chocolate.
Come on, have it.
I still have some chocolate left inside. I took a very big bite.
Spicy?
I'm going to keep it between my teeth and trust me folks, I don't eat spicy food. This is not going down well.
Yeah, actually, he has his spice tolerance is really bad. I'm still okay, but he is really bad. So,
Forgive me if I start getting hiccups.
we are going to be real on this video.
This is
Super
a warning.
real.
This is a warning first one.
Okay, next up. You know why my teeth are looking so yellow? Okay, anyways. Never have I ever lied about my age. Do I have to lie about my age?
I don't have enough of fingers and toes to count that.
Have I?
I don't have.
Yeah, I think I
Trust me.
have. I'll be honest. I would have lied about my age. For sure.
You know the number of times she's done it in front of me?
No. Excuse me. Please.
In front
Not
of me.
that many
And
number
I
of
just
times,
go
but
with it, you know, just because, okay.
actually I do not
she's a-
need to lie about my age, but what to do? Sometimes I have to. Okay, so here
Come
goes
on,
the chili.
Come on.
Can I swallow it? I'll just swallow it.
I did that. Because it was too spicy.
Come on, your turn.
Okay. Next.
Ooh,
Hey, it's stuck together. Which one do I take?
anyone, your choice.
Let me read first. Okay.
Oh, I'm getting
Never
it.
have I ever returned something after wearing it outside.
Wearing it outside.
But if the return policy says I can.
Yes, you have. I know.
But if the return policy says I can, right?
He has.
Yeah, and if the
No,
if
but
the thing-
this was genuine. This is your Amazon. Last was your Amazon shoes that you bought from Amazon, and you wore it just once and it's snapped. It opened, right?
Right. The soldiers.
So
gave me,
that was something really genuine because it was actually a branded pair of shoes which he got from Amazon, and that's it, right?
Yeah.
So
But they did good. They did good. They gave it back.
yeah.
You know.
And we told them, we were very honest that we used it once and it's immediately snapped. So we're not lying about it.
Oh no.
So even if you
But
tell the truth, you have to have chili. that's the fun of this game. So have fun.
I want another chili.
Why?
No, this part is getting spicy.
Arey, come on. No, wasting chili. Come on, it's very expensive.
This part is getting spicy.
No, come on. Bigger bite.
No, bus. I think that's enough.
Okay, I'm going with the next question. Never have I ever
Oh.
prank called someone.
Oh no. Yes.
No.
Yes.
no. I don't remember doing that.
When we were in Dubai.
Prank called?
Yes. I don't know who it was. It was one of your friends.
Huh.
But
Friends could be, maybe, yeah.
I remember that.
Yeah.
You did that.
But I don't really remember the incident. If my husband is so sure, I cannot argue.
I can't talk right.
So, I'll go for the chili. Here, guys.
Big bite, like you said. That's small.
It's pretty big.
That's It's more like it.
I'm just swallowing it.
I did that, but still burning.
I swallowed it. Done.
Okay. Okay, here goes. I either started now. Okay, next. Never have I ever had a wardrobe malfunction.
I've had too many.
Me too.
Explain
Not
when.
Too many. Not too many.
What is the one that you remember about?
It's happened to me in school. It's happened to me in college.
It happened to me also several times.
Yeah, but not too many. Especially because I'm a sports person, so and we have to wear these long pants and go to school. So when you're out there, you want to play, you stretch a little bit, and you know what happens. And then you're walking home with your shirt outside. You're walking home with your shirt outside.
Oopsies. Even I've had oopsies moments.
So it is like that. There was one time when my zip gave up, So yeah.
So yeah, goes the chili. Have fun. Okay.
But I thank the school for giving us little long shirts. It kind of covered up my butt, saved me some embarrassment because those were the days where we were not traveling by cars. Parents would not drop us by cars, so we had to take the bus. So when you ride the bus, you just got to save yourself. So here goes.
I think our daughter is really smart. She knows us so well, so she's picked up questions accordingly. So we have to have the chili and avoid the chocolate.
Throat is really burning right now.
Poor you. You want chocolate? No. Okay. Next. Never have I ever laughed at a funeral.
Oh yes.
No. Laughed at a funeral. I would never do that.
Laughed at someone else crying at a funeral.
No. I would never do that.
Are you sure? I have.
I would have cried at a funeral for sure, even if I don't know that person. But I will not.
That goes on, and sometimes at the funeral.
No.
Trust me.
I have not laughed. I have not laughed at a funeral for sure. I can vouch for that. So I'm going for the chocolate.
That's not fair.
Arey? What do you mean not fair? You laughed at a funeral. You have the chili.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I go to the next one?
Last question. Okay. Now the last question, it seems both of us have to answer. That's what Kimberly said.
Yeah, she's written something like a number 10 over
10.
this.
So she says the last question. So number 10.
over there. So, okay.
All the best to us.
I get to pick it up. Haha.
You can show it to me.
Never have I ever lied during this game. Okay.
Good one.
Have I lied during this game? No.
No.
I had a malfunction. And what else was it? What else was there?
Ray, read your questions. Laughed at a funeral. Prank called.
Yeah, I returned something. Yes, that was there. So I'm not lied there.
Fake
Then
phone number.
Dropped a baby. I never dropped a baby.
You kind of dropped a baby, so you could say.
No, I didn't. Dropping is complete drop, fall, missed. Missing it is.
Okay.
I get, benefit of doubt.
So, let's end this.
Wardrobe malfunction. 1 minute. I'm seeing if I've ever snitched on someone else.
And you agree to that. So, okay.
So I've never lied. So I get to eat chocolate.
Even I've not lied. So even I get to have chocolate.
Okay.
So, cheers to that.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you, Kimberly, for these questions. And thank you everyone for all your love and support. We are really, really blessed that you're all supporting us and sharing this channel and also subscribing. Please continue to support us. Please spread the word around. And if you like any more challenges of us to do together, me and my husband or me and my children, and if you have any other ideas, please do let us know. And my husband is ever ready to do that.
When did I ever say that?
Yes. I know you. You will do anything for your wife.
That is it. Not this though.
And if you like our makeup look today, please give this video a thumbs up and show some love, spread some love, and like I always say, stay safe, stay strong, and stay
Is there
happy.
any difference between this side and this side? Without the makeup also I look the same.
No, you look handsome.
Isn't it? See? There is no difference.
Anyway, so let's end this video now. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you for being in this video.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
guys,
for
for
supporting
watching
me. And thank you everybody. Bye-bye. So
Like, share, subscribe.
please do. Take care. Love you all. See you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.
Thanks guys. Bye.